Hi, this is Jen from WEITAI Hydraulic China. Today we are going to say what WEITAI Final Drive Factory looks like. Follow me, let's see it.
Here is our raw materials center. As you can see that here is our stock for the raw materials. We make the 100% raw materials test for each piece, and we operate an ISO 9001 quality management system. As you can see that we have the enough stock for each raw materials to ensure the shorter leading time for every customer. Here is our CNC machining center. More than 90% of our parts are made here automatically. Here is our automatic assembly center. As you can see, for the high efficient work, our production capacity can be 500 units per day. This is the secret why we can ensure the shorter leading time, stable quality, and increasing annual capacities. For 2022, we are going to make 100,000 units of final drives. We make 100% test for every single motor, including the efficiency, the sealing, the brake, and the torque. And also, we make the 100% test for each gearbox, including the sealing of the reducer and the gear. After that, we make 100% test for each assembly travel motors, as you can see. Here is our quality control center. For each piece of the parts and the travel motor, we operate the 100% test. And for the inspection equipment, we use the best. Here you can see this is for these 3 coordinate measuring equipment. And we also have the multi-tool measuring instruments. Here is our production line for painting. Every travel motor and spring motors are painted over here.
Here is our standard package. It is really solid, and we can also provide the OEM package based on our customers' requirements.
All the final drives you can see that's are ready to be shipped to our customers in the whole world. Now, we all know that for the final drives, the stock is really urgent right now. WEITAI still have the safety stock for the final drives for our customers. So if you have any need of final drives, please feel free to let us know. We have the safety stock.
WEITAI Hydraulic is represented by a positive and professional sales and service team. We are willing to fulfill your requirements with our high-quality products and professional service. A long-term mutual beneficial cooperation with you is our priority.